When is a parent born? When your world changes in a moment? Nani? Or when the moment is celebrated by all? When you start learning again? Or with a new role? Is it your child's first breath? Or is it just a feeling? Parents are born when they fulfill a responsibility.
Your child's umbilical cord blood can provide protection from 80 life-threatening diseases. Keep it safe with Asia's largest stem cell bank. Cord Life. One chance, one choice.
Yeah. Hi everybody, a very good evening. नमस्ते, आप सबका हमारे वेबिनार में स्वागत है. मेरा नाम सोनाली है, सोनाली शिवलानी. I'm a pregnancy consultant and I'm from Mumbai. प्रेगनेंसी कंसल्टेंट वो होते हैं जो आपको छोटी छोटी बातों के चीजों में हेल्प करते हैं, जैसे क्या खाना है, कैसे एक्सरसाइज करनी है, कैसे सोना है, प्रेगनेंसी के लिए क्या सही है, क्या गलत है. ये हमारा काम है. हम कुछ मेडिकल नहीं करते. वी डोंट डू एनीथिंग मेडिकल, ना डायग्नोस्टिक्स ना प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. तो इसके लिए आप अपने डॉक्टर को अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. हम आपके सपोर्ट सिस्टम है, हम आपके कॉन्टैक्ट पर्सन है जो ये सारी चीजों के आंसर्स करते हैं. तो ये सेशन आपके लिए ऑर्गेनाइज करवाया गया है कॉड लाइफ के द्वारा. थोड़ा सा आपको कॉन्टेक्स्ट दे देती हूँ. आज के सेशन में आप बात नहीं कर सकेंगे. ये सेशन रिकॉर्ड किया जा रहा है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप सवाल नहीं पूछ सकते. आप जरूर सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. तो अगर आप अपने डैशबोर्ड पे देखेंगे ऑन योर राइट हैंड साइड, आपको एक क्वेश्चंस का टैब दिखाई देगा. When you click on that, you can post your questions in that section आराम से, very easily, right? And webinar खत्म करने से पहले हम आपके questions जरूर answer करेंगे. So अब हम ज्यादा समय नहीं लेते हैं, बट लेकिन सिंस ये 1 घंटे का वेबिनार है, आई एम श्योर कि आप लोग प्रेग्नेंट हैं और बैठना इतना समय के लिए ऑब्वियसली तकलीफ है. तो आप अपने लिए पिलोज वगैरह ले लीजिए. प्लीज मेक योरसेल्फ टोटली कंफर्टेबल. अगर आपने शाम की चाय नहीं पी है, कुछ खाया नहीं है, तो मेक श्योर दैट यू गेट योर लिटिल स्नैक्स. वैसे भी मैंने सुना है कि इंदौर इज अ वेरी स्नैक्स ओरिएंटेड प्लेस, और जो 1-2 बार मुझे मौका मिला इंदौर आने का, आई थिंक द फर्स्ट विजिट दैट पीपल टुक मी वाज टू योर खाओ गली. So yes, very yummy, and I think it's very known and famous for the khao gali. So I'm not saying कि खाओ गली में जाके वैसे वाले स्नैक्स खाइए, लेकिन कुछ हेल्दी खा लीजिए, some fruits and etc. And sit back, relax, enjoy, and be ready with all your questions as we take you through this. Now I also have the special privilege of having with me Dr. Archana Basir, and she is the president of Foxy, and I'm sure you all know her, love her, you've met her, of course nowadays with the masks on and etc., with social distancing, but definitely a person who can share a lot of insights. And today she's going to talk about something which is a topic, honestly, which is very close to my heart. The role of the partner, मतलब पार्टनर के यानी आपके स्पाउस का क्या रोल है आपकी प्रेगनेंसी में, आपके बर्थ में, डिलीवरी के बाद. एंड पता है आपको, मैं अपनी एक पर्सनल सीक्रेट और पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करती हूँ. जब मैं खुद प्रेग्नेंट हुई थी फर्स्ट टाइम, मैं डॉक्टर के विजिट के लिए गई थी, एंड पहला सवाल मेरा डॉक्टर से यही था कि कैन माय हस्बैंड बी विथ मी ऑल द टाइम, यू नो, प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट, अल्ट्रासाउंड, डिलीवरी. एंड शी सेड ऑफ कोर्स, we definitely want that to happen. So that is something which is very valuable, very important. I completely believe in that. So I'm going to hand over to Dr. Archana. and she will address the audience on this topic. Over to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Sonali, for your kind introduction and really addressing the audience very vibrant. If you remember, you've been with us at Akash Hospital and you did all your classes there, and I remember your actions and moves as well. So, dear audience, first of all, I welcome you all on this World Health Organization Day for talking something about health and the role of partners in pregnancy. So it's a very, very, like an amazing thing, as what Sonali has also shared with you. I learned about this when I was in England, and I had my baby in London there, where my husband was allowed, and he was in the labor room and he was in the delivery. So, there I learned, because I am practicing for last 25 years in Indore, and I'm based at Akash Hospital. And we are initial days of my practice, what I remember, women were used to come with other person of the family than their husbands or their partners. But now what we are doing, we are seeing is a sea change in that. Most of the time partners are coming. But why we are taking this today is just to re-emphasize and emphasize it more, the role of partners in pregnancy and pregnancy care. So, the most important thing is, and the most amazing thing in this world is to hold your baby in your hands. So, it has to be always together, that the baby, the partner should be there from the beginning of your pregnancy care. So, the most important thing is, when a woman is pregnant, I'm going to take it into three parts actually. Partner means not only the husband partner, the partner means your doctors also partner in care, your family members are also partner in your care, but the most focus will be on your partner, that is on your husband. So what is important thing is, the men also have their emotions, and men also have their they can't express many a times what they are going through. So once I asked one couple, what was your reaction when your pregnancy test came positive? The husband said, like, I just couldn't believe, I was like over the moons. It was like what it's just an amazing feeling. So I think both partners have to give each other a time, respect each other. And during the first trimester of pregnancy, women go through a lot of changes. They go through a lot of mood changes. They are going through emotional ups and downs. They are having a lot of vomiting and minor and major elements of pregnancy, at times bleeding and all. So what is important as a couple to understand what are the problems which my wife can face during first trimester. And then like sometimes the problems can be small, which can be really dealt with just by little counseling at home. So most important thing, what care which we are taking at our Akash Hospital is, number one, we are going through a very tough time because of the COVID. We take all the precautions for the COVID, and then it is important then when the husband comes along with it, they are all taking precautions when they come to the hospital, number one. Number two, it is important, like your consultation maybe for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever, but you should have your problems written down or maybe in the mobile. That is really helpful. And please try and visit with appointments. I know the men are busy, they have their working hours, but you can take and fix up special appointments also, and try to be with your wife during appointments, so that it shows that you care. I'm not saying that you don't care, आप care नहीं करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, but छोटी छोटी सी चीजें मैटर करती है, छोटी छोटी सी चीजें मिलके बड़ी खुशी बनती है. So when you are there with your wife, उनके साथ डिस्कस करते हो. आज ही एक मैंने सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज पूछा, अच्छा हमने भी थोड़ा सा हमारे एडवर्टीजमेंट में एक मिस्टेक करी है, expectant moms लिखा है. We should have written expectant parents. So when I asked, have you registered? One couple came to me. I said, oh, well, I'm talking about the partner's role. Have you registered? The couple said, no. The women said, I have registered, but my husband has not registered. I said, why? Because it says that for expectant moms. So there I said, okay, no. This pregnancy, when the test becomes positive, never say that my wife is pregnant. Say that we are expecting, we are pregnant. That's the terminology which should be used when you are, like expecting pregnancy, both of you should be spending time together a lot. Like you can schedule something like a walking together, maybe eating your meals together, talking about the baby. You start building your dreams around the baby. So it's important that the partner is there at the time of the consultation. And the second thing is, like whenever there are sonographies happening these days, it is because of certain laws we cannot allow the partners in the room in the sonography. But yes, you can look at the pictures and make your slam book and all with your partners. And in the third trimester, which is the very, very important, I mean, all trimesters are very important. So one and foremost important thing is you should know, like, pregnancy is how many weeks duration, what are the tests done during pregnancy, what are the examinations, how many sonographies are done during pregnancy, and try to be there even at the sonography so you can discuss the findings. Because one, I told, well, you are attending alone. The wife said, oh, there has to be something to fight, so that the husband will say, well, you did not give me the full information what doctor has told you. So that might be one thing probably couples are doing that way. But it's important that you are there so that we can tell small things, like all women are princes of their partner, the husband, they are queens actually, but treat them like more like queens, because they are pregnant and they are expecting, and they are really going through a change which is the biggest change in their lifetime. So they need to be looked after very well. You have to really see that when they are getting off the car, you might have to open the door, pick up all the things so that they are not bending. So these kind of advices when we give, if I'm telling to the women, the pregnant women, if she says that at home, probably she may not be believed. But it's important that when they come and we talk directly one-to-one, then that will be believed. And the third thing is that in the third trimester, there are certain, when the pregnancy, I tell you 90% of the time, nothing happens in pregnancy. It sails through smoothly, nice normal pregnancy, normal delivery, and everything goes on well. But 10% of the cases, there is a problem in pregnancy, maybe blood pressure, maybe diabetes, maybe the growth restriction. In these conditions, what happens, you may not have symptoms, but as an obstetrician with experience, I will tell, well, I am expecting that there can be a problem. So if it is very difficult for women alone to check that problem, because she might feel very emotionally disturbed, or maybe she gets fear. So it's always important that women should not be coming alone to the clinic. Maybe it is very important that the partner or husband comes, and if he can't come, then at least some other partner in labor should be there. And do not change your like companion every time. That's what we face in our practice. Sometimes the bhavi came, sometimes masi came, and sometimes some other person came, because there is no continuity of dialogue. For continuity of dialogue, it is important the person who is there with you in your consultation with the doctor is not changed that often. So that becomes very easy for us to do the conversation. So when there is a problem like diabetes, hypertension, as I said, then it is very, very important that the partner understands that yes, this is the problem. Like I had a couple of women who had diabetes, and unfortunately the outcomes were not good because they were like not been taking care of their sugars that well, because none of the family member understood her problem. So it is important, the most important person in a woman's pregnancy is her partner or husband, who should understand पूरा problem कि उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम है और हमको क्या ट्रीटमेंट देनी है और खाने में क्या देना है. एवरीबडी डिफरेंट पर्सन विल कम, दे लास्ट क्या डाइट में देना है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट दैट द वुमेन्स डाइट, हर शेड्यूल एंड एवरीथिंग इज फिक्स्ड. एंड एज नाउ coming to the third trimester, what is the third trimester and the baby care? I think Sonali is going to take about the mental health development, emotional aspects of the baby, so I will not take that. The third trimester is very important because the the tummy is growing big. Women can't lift, she can't bend to pick up the things, and she can't sometimes do the daily chores of the house as well. So you really need to help her with the small things. You maybe it's good to make meals sometime for your wife, and so make her happy. Bring some sometimes flowers or something, just make her happy. And So that is going to go a long way. And as far as allowing the partner in the labor room or in the during surgery, if cesarean section is needed, yes, it is very much possible and permissible, depending on, sometimes it's very acute emergency and there is a rush kind of a thing. That time it may not be possible, but yes, in my practice, what I see that both the partners are comfortable and the partners are present during the labor and delivery, because seeing your baby being born is the most amazing thing in the world. Which, don't miss the opportunity. Hold your baby first thing in your hand as soon as the baby is born. At times in Western world, they allow the father to cut the umbilical cord, but which is, sometimes it just happens. We also do that, but many times it's not possible. But that can also be done. And another thing which is very important is post delivery. Now we, like during labor, during this thing, help her during exercises also. It will be very helpful if you, both of you, can take some exercise schedule, so that it will really encourage and keep her motivated. Because many times I get that, well, I don't feel like getting up, I don't feel like doing exercises. But what I have always found, if you have a partner during exercise, you really do it. On a particular time, somebody tells you, well, we have to go for a walk and we have to do exercise. So in nutshell, what I am telling is, please find out time. Whatever business, whatever profession you are in, you must find time for your pregnancy. It's not your wife's pregnancy alone, it is your pregnancy as well. And it is important that you give enough time to give emotional support. I know that financial aspect men have to see, but a little bit of time is very, very important. And during childbirth, when the baby is born, again there is a little issues with the breastfeeding. Women struggle with the breastfeeding. Lot of pressure comes. You have to breastfeed, and she can't really sometimes manage. So there again comes the role of the partner, that might be it is good that the milk is expressed, kept aside, and then that can be fed afterwards, because women will need a lot of time to recover from the childbirth, because childbirth is really energy consuming process, and a lot of pains, aches and pains do happen to some women. So with there also comes the role of partner, where you can be of help in taking care of your baby. Maybe it involves changing the nappies, feeding the baby, and visiting the doctors for the immunization. So very, very important things, and these things all should be taken care of. So that is about the role of partner, not only. And then I have something for the women partners as well. It's not only that the male partner has to take care of the women partner all the time. It is vice versa also. Because it's like always, we say, well, she's pregnant, and we should not let her do this. We have to see that men also go through a lot of emotional changes. And they start thinking about the finances, schooling and everything. So they also need a lot of emotional support as well. So it's on both the partners that there has to be some kind of really good interchange of emotions and expectation, so that both are in a good and healthy state to take the right decision. In our practice, what we do, we inform you about everything, what is going on in your pregnancy, and I always take you, आपका एक जो हम आपको सिर्फ एक बताते हैं, गाइडेंस देते हैं, और आपका जो डिसीजन रहता है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. हमारा काम होता है एक एडवाइस देना, बट उस एडवाइस को पे डिसीजन लेना कि हम इसे किस तरीके से चाहते हैं, वो आपका होता है. और एक और चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मैं यहाँ कहना चाहूंगी कि एक बर्थ प्लान बनाइए. एक बर्थ प्लान नाम होता है, एक पेपर होना चाहिए. उस पेपर पे आप लिखिए, मैं किस तरह से चाहती हूँ कि मैं लेबर रूम में जाऊं तो मेरे साथ कौन होना चाहिए, या मैं बच्चे को क्या कपड़े पहनाना चाहती हूँ. हाउ आई you have to visualize, you have to just envision complete thing कि how really I am going to have my childbirth, and then men should think about like decorations and everything. So make a pregnancy a beautiful journey. Make it it's like just something like how you decorate everything when you are getting married. It is the next very important step of your life when you are going to be parents. So make it a very beautiful journey by holding each other's hands together, by sharing and by caring. We are there to support you from the medical point of view and take care of you during your labor, during your antenatal care, and just in this troubled times, stay safe and take care of yourself. And thanks to Sonali for bringing up this good webinar, and thanks to Card Life for all their efforts which they have done. कुछ भी आपके सवाल होते हैं तो हम उनके जवाबों के लिए तैयार हैं. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है, एवरीबडी लाइक्स टू शो अ लिटिल लव कि यस आई केयर. सो आप बहुत एक दूसरे को प्यार करते हैं, एक दूसरे को चाहते हैं, यू आर, बट स्टिल एट टाइम्स इट इज गुड टू शो दैट यस आई केयर. सो it's very important, and I think I am a very lucky person, and I'm very blessed that I'm in a profession where I see smiles every day. When I hand over a baby in couple's hand, and the first smile of the mother and first smile of the father, I think I have captured many such moments, and I am really very lucky and blessed. So I wish you all a very healthy life, and stay safe and protect yourself, protect your partners as well. Yeah, one very important thing, sorry, before I forget and before I leave this, is during Corona times, today only I had a couple, I told them that the girl said, I have stopped working because now, because of the Corona fear, and I'm pregnant. But I said, since your husband is going out to work, make sure that when he comes home, he is taking all the precautions of sanitization and everything, so that it's not that, it comes from your partner to you. So just take care of that and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Archana ma'am. It was indeed a pleasure, and I'm sure कि अगर I know थोड़ी सी ये हो गई marketing जो tagline बन गया session का for expecting mothers, but mothers, ये सारी बातें आपको अपने husbands को जरूर सुनानी चाहिए. It's very important. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि fathers हमेशा सोचते हैं कि the mother is carrying the baby, the mother is feeling the cakes, the mother is feeling everything, and they feel very detached. लेकिन अगर हम फादर्स को शुरू से ही इन्वॉल्व करेंगे तो आगे चल के, आजकल तो वी आर न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज, तो न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज में कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि मदर को सिर्फ बच्चे को अकेले संभाल लेना पड़ता है. बट अगर फादर इज इन्वॉल्व फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगनिंग, सो इट बिकम्स अ वेरी बिग ब्लेसिंग. सो वंडरफुल. तो अब हम अपने सेकेंड सेक्शन पे चलते हैं, विच इज ऑल अबाउट डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द बेबी. बट एक बार मैं क्वेश्चंस चेक कर लेती हूँ मैम, अगर आपके लिए कोई यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी किसी ने डाला है तो मैं जस्ट रीड करके आपको बता देती हूँ. जस्ट गिव मी वन मोमेंट, आई एम ओपनिंग इट अप. ओके, एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है मदर का. वो पूछ रही है कि आई गेट 8 to 9 times hiccups in a day, and I'm 8 months pregnant with a loose nuchal cord. So is the nuchal cord related to the baby's hiccups?
I really don't think so. That's nothing to, there's no connection between hiccups. Hiccups is you are getting hiccups or you're feeling baby's hiccups.
So she's saying that the baby, I think what she means is baby is getting hiccups.
Babies do get hiccups. They are human beings, So babies will be sucking in the womb. They'll be doing hiccups. They'll be swallowing, and everything happens. And it is nothing to do with the loose nuchal cord around the neck or anything. The babies, even without nuchal cord, also, because this is a natural human activity. Hiccups and swallowing and movement. So that's entirely normal thing. Do not connect it A plus A. That's different.
Right. Yeah. So as ma'am told you that babies swallow. So आपके पेट के अंदर जो amniotic fluid है ना, बेबी वो पी लेते हैं, और जब वो पी लेते हैं तो उनके स्टमक में जब वाटर जमा हो जाता है, it presses against the diaphragm and it causes the hiccups. So you don't have to worry about it. It's completely normal. ठीक है? So मैम यही एक क्वेश्चन था. I will do my bit and hopefully तब तक और questions जमा हो जाएंगे.
Sure.
All right. So मैंने अपना छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन तो ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को दे दिया. मेरा नाम सोनाली है, सोनाली शिवलानी. मैं मुंबई से हूँ, प्रेगनेंसी कंसल्टेंट हूँ. एक और छोटी सी बात अपने बारे में बता देती हूँ, ऑल्दो आप लोग ने ये गेस तो कर लिया होगा. आई एम ऑल्सो मदर, एंड मेरे बच्चे बहुत बड़े हो गए. माई सन इज 20 एंड माई डॉटर इज 18. सो अभी मैं अपने आप को एंशिएंट बुलाती हूँ आजकल. बट वेल नेवरदलेस ये सेशन आपके लिए ऑर्गेनाइज करवाया गया है कॉड लाइफ के द्वारा. कॉड लाइफ इंडिया की लीडिंग स्टेम सेल बैंक है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच टू कॉड लाइफ जो इस कोविड पीरियड में भी ये प्लेटफॉर्म अरेंज किया है ताकि हम आप लोगों से बातें कर सकते हैं और आप हम लोगों से बातें कर सकते हैं. So thank you to Dr. Archana and thank you to Quad Life for this opportunity today. अब जब प्रेगनेंसी होती है तो we call it new. It's something new, right? I mean जो अगर समझो आप second time mother भी बन रहे हैं तो भी it's new because हर बेबी यूनिक होता है, हर प्रेगनेंसी यूनिक होती है. एक नई शुरुआत है, it's a new experience, एक नया एहसास है and after all it's a new life. तो ये बहुत सारी न्यूनेस हो रही है और कई बार बहुत सारे सवाल होते हैं, क्वेश्चंस होते हैं और हम ये सोच रहे हैं कि क्या ये सही है, क्या ये गलत है. आई थिंक फिजिकली आप काफी चीजें सोचते हो कि मैं ये खाऊं ना खाऊं, इस तरह से लेटूं, इस तरह से चलूं, इस तरह से बैठूं, बट लेकिन और भी कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो आपको शायद सोचनी चाहिए क्योंकि आप पूरा टाइम फुल 9 months एक दूसरी जान को अपने साथ लेकर के घूम रहे हो. यू हैव अ न्यू लाइफ इनसाइड योर स्टमक. तो अब दैट पर्सन कैन ऑल्सो हियर, लिसन, फील. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द बेबीज फीलिंग्स एंड द बेबीज डेवलपमेंट इन द वूम. मैंने ये सवाल बहुत पेरेंट्स से पूछा है एंड आई हैव आस्क्ड दिस मेनी टाइम्स कि आप पेरेंट कब बनते हो एंड इसके बहुत सारे जवाब मिले हैं. अगर आप लोग भी अपने मतलब क्वेश्चन बॉक्स में जवाब देना चाहते हो तो दे सकते हो लेकिन मन में जरूर सोचो. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि व्हेन यू स्टार्ट प्लानिंग, जब आप सोचते हो कि अब आई थिंक सही समय है, वी शुड प्लान अ बेबी, क्या आप उस समय पेरेंट्स बनते हो? या जब आप पहली बार वो प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट करते हो और वो 2 लाइनें देखते हो, डू यू बिकम अ पेरेंट देन? और डू यू बिकम अ पेरेंट व्हेन यू फर्स्ट हियर द हार्ट बीट or when you see the first ultrasound, when you feel the first kick or when you hold your baby in your arms? एक और समय ये भी है कि when your baby first smiles at you. जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो उस समय तो जब वो उसके मूवमेंट्स होते हैं वो सब इनवॉल्यूंटरी मस्कुलर मूवमेंट्स बोलते हैं, स्माइल वगैरह नहीं होती. बट 1-1.5 महीने का जब बच्चा हो जाता है वो आपको देख के, नजर मिला के जब वो स्वीट सी स्माइल देता है उस समय आपका हार्ट, आपका दिल पूरा पिघल जाता है. अब आपने इनमें से जो आंसर दिया या जो सोचा सारे सही है. कई लोगों को एहसास तब होता है जब बच्चा उनको देखता है और स्माइल करता है. तब तक तो ऐसा लगता है सिर्फ पॉटी सुसु कर रहा है और रो रहा है, राइट? और उससे पहले स्पेशली फॉर द फादर्स कि ठीक है मदर कैरी कर रही है, कोई फीलिंग ही नहीं है, मतलब ठीक है वो बोल रही है किक्स हो रहे हैं लेकिन आई डोंट फील एनीथिंग, होगा जब आएगा तब देखेंगे. तो ये सारे जवाब सही हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि इफ यू आर नॉट फीलिंग दोज इमोशंस and you're not feeling that, oh my god, I'm a parent, it's okay, don't blame yourself, it's completely normal. But कुछ चीजें आपको बता देती हूँ. अगर आप ये पिक्चर देखोगे तो बिल्कुल लिजर्ड लग रहे हैं ना, छुपकली जैसा. तो जो बेबी का दिल है, the fetal heart, it starts beating at approximately day 25 of conception. और अगर आप कुछ मेरी तरह है, like me, then I did my first pregnancy test only when I was 51 days pregnant. So the baby was happily, alive and kicking by the time I actually realized that I was pregnant. जो baby की earliest brain activity है, वो we have seen as early as 21 days. So brain has to start working before the heart starts beating. And इसमें सोचने की बात ये है कि अगर brain activity शुरू हो गई है, तो thoughts, feelings, emotions, memories और understanding, ये सारी चीजें भी शुरू हो गई हैं. And that is what I'm trying to talk about today. तो अब आपको ये सोचना है कि अगर आप कुछ बोलते हो, आप कुछ सोचते हो, आप कुछ करते हो, तो उसका प्रभाव, उसका जो इफेक्ट है, it's not only on you, not only on your husband, your family, your whatever friends, but it is also on that baby and how the brain is developing inside. In the first 20 weeks जो होता है कि पूरा ब्रेन का फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है, राइट? जो ये सारे सेल्स हैं, ब्रेन सेल्स हम जिसको बोलते हैं, they start getting formed. But 20 weeks के बाद these brain cells also start communicating with each other, and इसको हम बोलते हैं brain growth, the development part. Okay, how does the brain become from just cells to thinking cells or cells which start having proper memories? 20 weeks के बाद का जो बच्चा है उसको अंदर आपके आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड की ग्रेटर सेंसिटिविटी आ जाती है. दे आर मोर अवेयर ऑफ द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड. जो टच है, जो टच की सेंसेशन है, as early as 1 month the embryo can sense touch to the nose and their lips. अब आप सोच सकते हैं कि why are we talking about this area at 1 month if the sensitivity is so good over here. तो जब डिलीवरी के बाद आप बेबी को ब्रेस्ट फीड करते हैं, आपका निप्पल जब यहाँ टच होता है on the baby's lip and the nose, it is so sensitive that the baby immediately starts to open the mouth and latches on. That is how beautifully nature has made it, right? 20 weeks के बाद baby external touch को भी respond करेगा. I had a client जिसका baby थोड़ी सी भी आवाज होती थी would kick. अगर वो अपने पेट को थोड़ा सा ऐसे जकड़ लेती थी तो the baby would start kicking. यहाँ तक कि if she would wear a seat belt, the baby would wake up. So there was a lot of external touch which the baby was responding to. So tapping on the abdomen, embracing the stomach. कई बार कुछ टेस्ट करवाने पड़ते हैं ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी, जिसमें एक अंदर यूट्रस के अंदर एक नीडल इंसर्ट की जाती है. और ये बहुत ही इट्स नॉट अ रेगुलर टेस्ट, इट्स अ वेरी रेयर टेस्ट. बट ये सारी चीजें बेबी से रिस्पॉन्स दिखाते हैं एंड वी हैव सीन दीज ऑन एक्चुअल अल्ट्रासाउंड्स. जो बेबी का विजन है वो 4 वीक से डेवलप होना शुरू हो जाता है. But second or third trimester में we can see blinking, movement of the pupils, and अगर आप मतलब लाइट फ्लैश करते हैं वूम पे, जैसे बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग लाइट अगर वूम पे फ्लैश करते हैं, तो we have seen on ultrasound के बेबी कुछ इस तरह से अपना चेहरा छुपा लेते हैं and they try to move away from the light. ये जो इनके सारे सर्किट्स हैं, they will get developed in the first year after birth. And ये मैं आपको इसलिए बता रही हूँ क्योंकि जब when the baby is born, the baby cannot see very far. बेबी का जो विजन होता है at birth is only 8 to 12 inches and what they can see is a world of grey. उनका जो वर्ल्ड है वो बिल्कुल ग्रे कलर का होता है and there's no color. So that is why they're very focused on bright objects, lights, etc. जो डिलीवरी के बाद you should focus on these areas. जो बेबी की हियरिंग है वो भी जो टिश्यूज हैं they start developing at 4 weeks after conception. But the baby responds to sounds only in the third trimester. So आवाज को पहचानना बेबी को around the third trimester से पता चल जाता है. बेबीज की जो मेमोरी है वो बहुत ही पावरफुल होती है एंड जो आवाजें उन्होंने whatever sounds they have heard in the last trimester, especially मदर की आवाज, फादर की आवाज, तो जो आप उनके आजू बाजू बात करते हैं, जो बोलते हैं, जिस तरह से बोलते हैं, ये सारी चीजें the baby can now start memorizing. So delivery के बाद these voices will be very powerful and if the baby is fussy, scared, anxious और आप वो ये वाली आवाजें बोलोगे तो they will recognize it. 20 weeks के बाद जो बेबी का सेंस ऑफ स्मेल है वो भी डेवलप होना शुरू हो जाता है एंड जो एक प्रोटेक्टिव प्लग होता है बेबी के नोज पे वो गिर जाता है एंड जो मॉम का प्लेसेंटा है, जो बाहर की स्मेल्स है जैसे आपकी परफ्यूम, अगर आपने लहसुन या गार्लिक वगैरह खाई है, एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड की जो खुशबू है, ये सब बेबी के लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग मेमोरीज हैं. एक राज की बात आपको ये भी बता देती हूँ कि जो एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड की स्मेल है और जो ब्रेस्ट मिल्क की स्मेल है बिल्कुल सेम होती है. सो व्हेन द बेबी इज बोर्न it is very familiar for the baby to get to breast milk because they are very familiar with the smell of amniotic fluid. जो बेबी का टेस्ट है वो भी डेवलप होना शुरू हो जाता है, लेकिन थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर में हमने swallowing patterns, राइट? अगर मदर ने कुछ पर्टिकुलर फूड्स खाए, स्पेशली स्वीट फूड्स, तो बेबी को ऐसा हमने ऑब्जर्व किया दैट बेबी सीम्स टू swallow more. एंड अगर मदर ने नॉर्मल डाइट ली तो उनका swallowing थोड़ा कम होता है. So it is seen that babies enjoy flavors and whatever the mother eats in the third trimester can actually influence the food preferences of the baby. अब ये बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, right? अगर आप healthy चीजें खाओगे तो baby will get used to and comfortable with eating healthy foods. So make sure that you eat lots of fruits and vegetables and etc. And limit your intake of junk food to once in a while and don't make it a regular practice. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि 30 वीक्स के बाद बेबी आवाजें वगैरह पहचानता है, तो लास्ट के जो 10 वीक्स में उनकी लैंग्वेज स्किल्स भी डेवलप हो जाते हैं। तो एज अ पेरेंट आप क्या कर सकते हो? आप बेबी से बात करो, आप बेबी के लिए सिंग कर सकते हो। अगर आप कोई अच्छे से म्यूजिक भी बजाते हो तो दैट इज ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल। लेकिन आपको इतना तो जरूर याद रखना चाहिए दैट बेबी वही सुन रहा है और वही समझ रहा है जो मदर सुन रही है और मदर समझ रही है, राइट? सो इफ you will enjoy listening to hard rock, something which is very noisy, and you're enjoying it, that is okay. It is fine. It doesn't mean that we have to only play the Hanuman Chalisa or the Gayatri Mantra or the Ramayana for the baby. Or if you know you want Beethoven, Chopin, ये सब है आपको एकदम fancy classical western music सुनाना है, you can do that also. But if you don't enjoy it, then the baby is also not going to enjoy it. Whoever is talking around the baby, especially the father, that's also very important because the baby can understand the differences between the voice of the mother and the voice of the father. There was one dad who asked me, I feel very funny talking to the stomach. It's very funny. What can I do? I told him, why don't you just read the newspaper? Read nice things from the newspaper. So he said, can I read my office reports to the baby? I said, yeah, why not? It's okay. So he actually started doing that. He started reading office reports to the baby because he wanted the baby to hear his voice, but he did not know what to talk. He was feeling very odd and he felt that what is the baby going to understand? जो emotional development है, that is also something which is very important, right? So जो mother की environment है, जो mother का emotional state है, that is something जो baby को बिल्कुल समझ में आता है। अब ये कैसे हो सकता है? और ये मानना ये है कि ये बिल्कुल hormones की वजह से, it is because of the hormones. So if the mothers has good, happy, positive hormones, then those are the hormones which are flowing in the blood to the baby. But if the mother is stressed out, anxious, worried, scared, so then you have all the negative hormones. And this is what is flowing to the baby. And keeping that in mind, it is very important that the mother should be in a happy emotional state. So read, talk, sing, enjoy yourself. If you're feeling upset about something, let people know. Whoever is your partner or your support person, talk to them about it so that you can be comfortable, right? बहुत सारे studies किए गए हैं, but of course, when we're talking about ये जो stress levels, we're talking about very high levels of stress. अगर आप working mother हैं and you have a stressful job, but you enjoy your job, then that is good stress. But if you have, something which you're not enjoying, then that is bad stress. अब बात करते हैं आपके रिश्तों की, relationships की. अब यहाँ पे जो हमारे लाइफ में लोग होते हैं जिनको हम बोलते हैं कि वी आर सराउंडेड बाय दीज पीपल, ये आई वुड डिवाइड देम इनटू 3 कैटेगरीज. पहला है जो हम जिससे हम प्यार करते हैं, आवर लव्ड वंस, जिनको देख के बस हमारे चेहरे पे मुस्कान आ जाती है, स्माइल आ जाती है, वी आर ऑलवेज लाइक हैप्पी अराउंड देम. देन देयर आर सम पीपल whom we cannot do without. ये हो गए हमारे मे बी ड्राइवर्स, मेड्स, व्हाटएवर, कॉलीग्स वगैरह हैं. एंड कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको हम बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करते, वी जस्ट डोंट लाइक देम. ये जो मैंने सर्कल्स बना रखे हैं, आई डिनोट द टाइम. I should be spending maximum amount of time with my loved ones and as little time as possible with the people whom I don't like. लेकिन हमारी लाइफ की रियलिटी कुछ इस तरह होती है कि हम काफी सारा समय उनके साथ बिता देते हैं जिनको हम बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करते एंड जिनसे हम प्यार करते हैं. The ones who put a smile on our face, we spend very little time with them. Let me ask you this and you can think about this. जब आप अगर मैं किसी भी मदर से पूछती हूँ कि who would you want to spend the maximum amount of time with, and their general answer is my husband. But sleeping next to your husband on the bed for 8 hours at night is not spending time, right? So quality time is missing. And maybe now because of Corona, there's a lot of work from home, so you're getting to spend some time. But ideally, you should try to change this around. You should try and spend more and more time with your loved ones rather than with the people who irritate you and whom you don't like. अगर आपकी बॉडी में स्ट्रेस, बैड स्ट्रेस है, जिससे आप इरिटेट हो रहे हो, जिससे आपकी एंजाइटी, जिसकी आपकी आपका यू नो यू आर जस्ट फीलिंग अपसेट ऑल द टाइम, ये बढ़ रहा है, तो आपके स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स भी बढ़ रहे हैं, एंड यही स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स बेबी के पास भी जा रहे हैं. We have seen this and there have been many studies which have shown कि अगर बेबी को ड्यूरिंग द प्रेगनेंसी बहुत स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स मिलते हैं, so these individuals later also in life इनके स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स की लेवल थोड़ी ज्यादा ही रहती है. And we all know कि स्ट्रेस का नॉर्मल ह्यूमन लाइफ पे या दूसरी चीजों पे कितना बुरा असर होता है. अब ये तो हम नहीं बोल सकते कि आप प्रेग्नेंट हो खुश रहो, बहुत ही मुश्किल है. इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट, इजंट इट? तो मैं एक आपसे रिक्वेस्ट रखूंगी हमेशा, दिस इज माय पर्सनल सजेशन, कि रोज मॉर्निंग में आप ब्रश करते हो, जब आप ब्रश करते हो आपके सामने आईना होता है, यू लुक एट द मिरर एंड आप खुद ही अपने मन में सोचो, ये जो दो पिक्चर्स मैंने यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे लगाई है, विच मदर आर यू? आर यू द मदर हु इज smiling, who's happy, who's feeling perky, chirpy and all of that today? और आज कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा, feeling really low यार, ऐसा कुछ feeling आ रहा है. So then you have to see what you can do about it. And there are so many ideas, right? Today I'm feeling a little low. What can I do to make myself happy? Right? Maybe I can call up a friend, visit a friend. Maybe I can just get a massage. कुछ नहीं सूझे तो यू नो आई शुड ड्रेस माई सेल्फ अप, अच्छे कपड़े पहन के, अच्छे से बाल वगैरह बना के, थोड़ी ज्वेलरी पहन के, अच्छे से लिपस्टिक मेकअप करके, यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग ब्राइटर, यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग हैप्पियर. बट इफ इट इज अ सिचुएशन कि आपके साथ ये रोज रोज हो रहा है, then you should see what is happening so that somebody can actually help you with it. ये कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं जो मैंने वूम एनवायरनमेंट से निकाली हैं. एज यू कैन सी कि आपका बेबी आपके टमी के अंदर रोता है. अगर आप सैड है तो आपका बेबी भी सैड है, और अगर आप हैप्पी है और आप स्माइल कर रहे हैं तो आपका बेबी भी स्माइल कर रहा है, आपका बेबी भी हैप्पी है. बेबी यॉन करते हैं. एक मदर ने अभी जस्ट थोड़ी देर पहले हिकअप्स के बारे में पूछा. So babies are doing all of these things inside the stomach. We have a baby who's yawning over here. ये है twins, so cute, right? एक दूसरे के साथ interact कर रहे हैं. एक बेबी दूसरे बेबी को किस कर रहा है, कभी कभी मारते भी है. They punch and they kick also, but they also interact with each other. ये सारी तो चीजें आपने भी एक्सपीरियंस की होंगी. बेबी किक करते हैं, स्ट्रेच करते हैं, अपनी अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड के साथ भी खेलते हैं. सो आई हैड वन मदर जो एक बार आई मेरे पास और उसने मुझे ये कहा कि मैं अल्ट्रासाउंड के लिए गई थी, एंड सोनाली द बेबी ने बिल्कुल इतना टाइट अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड को पकड़ रखा था और ऐसे लग रहा था कि वो उसको हिला के निकाल देगा. दैट्स नॉर्मल, दे कैन डू दैट, राइट? दूसरी चीज है सकिंग द थंब. And many times mothers worry. Delivery के बाद the baby is sucking thumb, sucking fingers, putting hand in the mouth. They're very worried. But जब womb में भी करते हैं तो बाहर भी करेंगे. So ये womb के environment में भी बिल्कुल normal है. और twins, they can hug, kick, touch, and they can play with each other. Twins की जो environment है वो भी see that outside also. You know, अगर कोई आप में से भी कोई twins है या आप जानते हो किसी twins को, so they are so bonded because they have spent 9 months in such close proximity in their mother's stomach, right? So अब एक आपको छोटा सा वीडियो दिखा देती हूँ, फिर इसके बाद हम क्वेश्चंस पे भी चलेंगे.
When is a parent born? When your world changes in a moment. Nani? Or when the moment is celebrated by all. When you start learning again, or with a new role. Is it your child's first breath? Or is it just a feeling? Parents are born when they fulfill a responsibility.
Your child's umbilical cord blood can provide protection from 80 life-threatening diseases. Keep it safe with Asia's largest stem cell bank. Cord Life. One chance, one choice.
And सबसे बड़ा सरप्राइज ऑफ द डे आप सब मदर्स के लिए जो यहाँ पर आज सेशन के लिए आए हैं, और अगर कोई फादर्स भी ये सेशन अटेंड कर रहे हैं, तो एपिक मॉम्स और कॉड लाइफ की तरफ से आपके लिए ये एक गिफ्ट वाउचर है। तो ये जो स्पेशल ऑफर है वो आपको कॉड लाइफ की टीम इस सेशन के 48 to 72 आवर्स के अंदर कांटेक्ट करेगी बाय फोन, एंड आपके साथ ये वाउचर और ये आप कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं, फ्लैट 50% ऑफर ऑन मैटरनिटी एंड नर्सिंग आइटम्स बाय एपिक मॉम्स एंड कॉड लाइफ। तो ये वाउचर का आप जरूर फायदा उठाइए। रिमेंबर आई टोल्ड यू, हाउ कैन यू मेक योरसेल्फ फील हैप्पी? कभी कभी शॉपिंग इज ऑल्सो अ ग्रेट हार्मोन रिलीजर, राइट? इट कैन एक्चुअली मेक यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड रिलैक्स्ड। ये कुछ बुक्स हैं which are written by me and they are available on Amazon. So prenatal fitness is all about exercise during pregnancy and post delivery with pictures and explanation. And we also have a lot of diet charts and food related information in this. Parenting Mantras is a book all about babies. So delivery के बाद आपके जो छोटे छोटे questions हैं, breastfeeding के बारे में, teething के बारे में, toilet training, sleeping, diapers वगैरह, तो ये सब इस किताब में कवर किया गया है। एंड देन हम आते हैं सुपर मॉम्स रेसिपीज। जब आपके बच्चे खाना खाना शुरू करेंगे तो इंटरेस्टिंग रेसिपी आइडियाज और ऑन सुपर मॉम्स रेसिपीज। अब आई एम रेडी फॉर क्वेश्चंस, बट उससे पहले स्क्रीन पे सारे कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिए गए हैं। सो पहले मेरे कोऑर्डिनेट्स है मेरा पर्सनल वेबसाइट, फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पेज। प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू फॉलो अस बिकॉज हम बहुत सारे अपडेट्स और कंटेंट यहाँ पे डालते हैं। And then there is YouTube, which is the pregnancy coach by Baby 360 degrees. Make sure you subscribe because यहाँ पर मैं pregnancy, birth और post delivery, early parenting के बारे में वीडियोस डालती हूँ। And हमारा एक फ्री ग्रुप है for tips। अगर आप इस नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप करेंगे और रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे प्रेगनेंसी टिप्स ग्रुप में ऐड करने के लिए, तो माई स्टाफ विल टेक केयर ऑफ इट। अब दूसरे जो सेट ऑफ नंबर्स है वो कॉड लाइफ की टीम के हैं, एंड आपको गिफ्ट वाउचर और इस सेशन की रिकॉर्डिंग तो चाहिए ही होगी। एंड आई एम श्योर इसके अलावा अगर आप स्टेम सेल बैंकिंग के बारे में भी जानना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन यूज दीज नंबर्स। तो एक फोन नंबर है, एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, एक टोल फ्री नंबर है और एक एसएमएस नंबर भी है। तो अगर आपके पेन पेपर्स वगैरह हैंडी है तो आप प्लीज ये नंबर सारे नोट कर लीजिए बिकॉज ये बहुत ही वैल्यूबल है। 50% गिफ्ट वाउचर, रिकॉर्डिंग, एंड इन केस अगर आप स्टेम सेल बैंकिंग के बारे में भी जानना चाहते हैं तो। एंड सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मूव टू क्वेश्चंस। अगर आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं तो आप प्लीज क्वेश्चन बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए। आई हैव अ मदर हु इज सेइंग शी इज 38 वीक्स एंड शी इज कोविड पॉजिटिव. I am assuming that in the end of 14 days I will develop antibodies. Will the baby be born with antibodies? So yes, most likely the baby will also develop the antibodies if the baby is born at the end of this 14-day period. But this is likely, right? We will not be able to give you a conclusive answer on this because COVID, even though it's been around for 1 year and some 3-4 months now, it is still something which is very new and we are all still researching on it. But the understanding is that the baby will get the antibodies too. Also, anything I should be worried about side effects so no, the medicines that you are being given, the doctor will be particular and will make sure that they are safe for your pregnancy. So you do not need to worry about it. Just follow the doctor's instructions comfortably. Can pregnant women take the COVID vaccine? There's again very little data on this. So current recommendation is no. Pregnant women should not take the COVID vaccine. Maybe when after you are done with exclusive breastfeeding, you can go ahead and take the COVID vaccine. So there's a question by a mother. After delivery, should we take up course for baby from 0 to 2 years, like prodigy courses? Are they worth it or help in any way? See, ma'am, the way the brain develops is by experiences. So if you can provide a lot of experiences, the brain development will happen very well. And by experiences, I don't mean that, you have to kind of, have something really fancy. It can be something simple, right? So, agar jaise when your child is really small, at that time you can show different colors, you can show different flashcards, you can kind of play different sounds. You know, even doing sounds like this, the snapping of your fingers, the clapping of your hands, talking in a whisper, talking in a deep voice, singing to the baby, these are all sounds. So you have to just basically spend a lot of time in trying to increase the experiences of the five senses. So vision, sounds, also expose the baby to different smells, like, you know, natural smell. So it could be the smell of cardamom, the smell of oregano, eucalyptus, so different smells in that fashion. Also the sense of touch. So you know, you can make the baby touch different textures. And finally is the sense of taste, which in the initial 6 months we will any which way say that it is only going to be the breast milk and nothing else. After 6 months, you can start making the baby taste a variety of things as per whatever the doctor is advising. The courses, if you feel that it is something that you would like to get into, it's a very personal choice. So the next question I have is from a mother who wants to know when to start exercising during pregnancy. See, the basic fundamental is first and foremost, you should ask your doctor, because every pregnancy is different and we don't know what your pregnancy condition is. But if everything is normal, fit and fine and well, then you can actually exercise all throughout your pregnancy. But to be absolutely safe, we recommend after 12 weeks when your proper ultrasound is done. So when the ultrasound is done, we will also have full clarity as to the position of the placenta, the cervical length, and all of those aspects. And then the doctor will give you the green signal. But you must also remember that at every doctor's visit, you must ask that am I okay with this? Can I continue my exercises? So the doctor should be checking you every visit and giving you the green signal every visit. That's important. So then we have a question also from a mother who's asking how developed is the brain by birth and what role do parents play in a baby's brain development. The baby's brain is fully developed at birth. After that, it's only more of growth and the connections. If you see a full-term baby's brain and you see an adult brain, the size is the same. So the number of cells that a baby has is the same as the number of cells that you and me may have. It is the question is the connections, the experiences. So when the baby is in the stomach, the main role that you're going to play is creating a safe and secure and warm, loving environment for the mother, so that the baby is in a warm, safe, secure environment. It's really simple. When somebody is scared, they are only focusing on their own safety. They are not focusing on anything else. But when a person is secure and happy and settled, then they are more learning and they are ready to explore newer ideas. So the role that parents have to play, very importantly, is to create a safe, secure and loving, warm environment which will help the baby to thrive in terms of even brain development. A mother wants tips for normal delivery. Well, the most important tip that I can give you is first and foremost, make sure that you have a positive frame of mind. Always say that I am healthy, I am normal, I can do it, I'm not scared. So keep yourself positive. Make sure that you eat healthy. Don't compromise on your diet so that your body is in the right state. The third would be to make sure that you are getting some physical exercise if possible, if it's allowed by a doctor. And last but not the least is surround yourself with a lot of positive people. So these are some things which can help. Stay alert. आपकी pregnancy में क्या हो रहा है, you should know. So अगर कोई complication develop हो रही है, तो you can take care of it. And if you can keep away from these complications, then automatically the delivery will become normal. So the next question says, I have a 5th month of pregnancy. I'm not able to sleep during the night time. My stomach gets very hard during a sleeping time and I'm changing my side only. Yeah, I know. ये जो problem है sleep की pregnancy में काफी common है. सिंस आपको ये पोजिशनिंग का इशू हो रहा है, तो मैं रेकमेंड ये करूंगी कि आप एक प्रेगनेंसी पिलो में इन्वेस्ट कर लें, बिकॉज दैट कैन हेल्प यू टू बी कंफर्टेबल. दूसरा प्रॉब्लम होता है कि आप को फ्रीक्वेंट यूरिनेशन की वजह से भी शायद नींद खुल जाती है, तो आप रात के समय ज्यादा पानी वगैरह ना पिए. सारा पानी जो इनटेक है आपको डे टाइम में ज्यादा खत्म कर लेना चाहिए, सोते वक्त नहीं. उस समय आप सिर्फ सिप्स ऑफ वाटर ले सकते हैं. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट इज रूम का टेम्परेचर. जनरली प्रेग्नेंट मदर्स को गर्मी बहुत होती है, इट्स नॉर्मल, ये बिल्कुल नेचुरल है. तो अगर आप किसी के साथ रूम शेयर करते हैं, उनको ठंड लगती है, तो आप एसी या फैन को अपने टेम्परेचर के हिसाब से नहीं रख पाते. तो make sure that you don't worry about those things. You worry about yourself. Keep the temperature of the room as per your comfort. Okay. Can I do breathing exercises during pregnancy? Yes, you can, as long as आपकी कोई भी breathing exercises breath holding में नहीं involve करती है. मतलब आपको सांस लेके पकड़नी नहीं है. You should inhale, exhale type of breathing exercises you can definitely do. Ma'am, our Braxton Hicks contractions normal once or twice every 30 minutes. Braxton Hicks contractions जो होते हैं उनको फेक contractions बोलते हैं, because इससे जो यूट्रस गर्भ का मुंह है वो खुलता नहीं है. बट इतने सारे जनरली नहीं होते हैं. We experience maybe 7, 8, 10 Braxton Hicks contractions in the whole day. बट अगर आपकी डिलीवरी बहुत ही नजदीक है, in the last 1 or 2 weeks, then yes, you might get more Braxton Hicks contractions every half an hour or so. The nose blockage is very common during pregnancy because क्या हो जाता है कि आपके जो hormonal changes होते हैं उसकी वजह से nasal passages भी थोड़े से relaxed हो जाते हैं, and that is why you get ऐसी वाली फीलिंग होती है कि हमेशा सांस लेने में 100% कंफर्ट नहीं है. और खास करके जब आप लेटते हो, when you lie down at night, you're lying flat, तो वो जो सारा fluid है वो back pull up हो जाता है and it becomes more difficult for you to breathe. So it is very common, yes. You can use a saline nose drop, जैसे आप NasoClear, NasoMist, ये सारी जो बिल्कुल saline है. So it's only salt water. कोई भी medicinal nose drop नहीं यूज करेंगे, आप कोई भी saline nose drop यूज कर सकते हैं. और दूसरी चीज आप ट्राई कर सकते हो कि अगर आपको सोने में दिक्कत हो रही है तो यू कैन स्लीप एट अ स्लाइट इंक्लाइन, मतलब आप एक पिलो इंक्रीज कर लीजिए. सो आपका जो नेसल पैसेजेस का फ्लूइड है वो पीछे नहीं जाएगा और वो आगे की तरफ आ जाएगा. अभी ऑलमोस्ट 5 o'clock हो गया है, बट लेकिन अगर आपके और भी कोई क्वेश्चंस हो तो प्लीज डाल दीजिए. थोड़ा सा आपका फीडबैक भी बहुत ही अप्रिशिएटेड रहेगा. इफ यू कैन post some feedback कि आपको ये सेशन कैसा लगा, did you find it helpful. So आप ये जो क्वेश्चन बॉक्स है आप वहां पर डाल सकते हैं प्लीज. So that will help us to understand कि आपको सेशन से क्या पसंद आया, आगे आप कौन से सेशंस सुनना पसंद करेंगे. So ये सारे अगर आप फीडबैक डालेंगे तो it will be very helpful and will be a good learning experience for us also. So I am in my 3rd month and I have a lot of burping sensation while sleeping. Yes, so that is normal क्योंकि ये जो gastro reflux है, again because of hormonal changes काफी common हो जाता है. तो immediately खाना खाने के बाद please don't lie down. थोड़े टाइम आप बैठे रहें और फिर maybe 10-15 minutes walk वगैरह करके you should lie down. Then you can go to sleep. I am 38 weeks pregnant and COVID positive. How can I stay alert since I'm not seeing my midwife for 14 days? मैम एक तो I would recommend कि आप जो मेरा YouTube चैनल है The Pregnancy Coach by Baby 360 Degrees, आप वहां जाके जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. I have put in a lot of videos on understanding pre-labor signs. So please watch those because it will give you good guidance as to how to understand when labor is going to start. Oh wow, thank you. It's so lovely to see an expecting dad there. I'm sure Dr. Archana will be very happy to hear that there were some fathers in the session as well. Can we sit in Vajrasan after eating food for 2 minutes? Yes, absolutely. Vajrasan is a very good position which will help in digestion. So you can definitely sit in the Vajrasan position. Just also make sure with your doctor that you are allowed to sit on the floor, etc. So just take that green signal from the doctor. Thank you so much for all the positive feedback. Really appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all on my Instagram, Facebook, and the YouTube channel as well. I'm feeling too much pain in my feet and ankles. What should I do? So, if you stand for too long in one position, or if you sit for too long in one position, then this can happen. So, one of the things, and also wrong footwear can cause this. So, one of the things that I would recommend is कि आप warm water में अपने feet को soak करें and थोड़ा सा elevate कर दें उसके बाद, on 2-3 pillows you keep your feet a little high. That will help. Gentle foot massage, comfortable shoes, and अगर आपको फिर भी पेन होता है तो you can wear some compression socks. ये मार्केट में मिलते हैं. They can be very comfortable for your feet and ankles. So you can try some compression socks. It will help to prevent the fluid buildup in the feet. All right. So I would like to say thank you so much. Thank you for joining us this evening and making this such a colorful session. Can I do slight belly breathing while lying down? You can do your belly breathing while lying down on your side. So don't do it lying on your back. Lie on your left or your right side, and then you can do your belly breathing. Actually, during pregnancy, you can sleep on left, right, or on your back. There is no problem. The only position you cannot sleep on is on your stomach. But having said that, there is obviously better position. So the best position is on your left side, because that way the blood flow to the baby is the best and digestion is the best. Then the second best position would be the right side, and the third favored position would be on the back. But if you are sleeping and in the night you find yourself on your back for a short time, it's okay. Don't panic. It's all right. All right. So thank you very much, everybody. Thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. And we look forward to seeing you in other sessions in the future as well.
When is a parent born? When your world changes in a moment. Nani? Or when the moment is celebrated by all. When you start learning again. Or with a new rule. Is it your child's first breath? Or is it just a feeling? Parents are born when they fulfill a responsibility.
Your child's umbilical cord blood can provide protection from 80 life-threatening diseases. Keep it safe with Asia's largest stem cell bank. Cord Life. One chance, one choice.